Welcome back to Ride Freedom Flyers. The 2026 BMW M1000RR like the thrill. Subscribe for more power. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a terrifyingly beautiful intersection of aerospace engineering and raw, unadulterated adrenaline, standing as a testament to BMW's relentless pursuit of the ultimate lap time. From the moment you lay eyes on its sculpted carbon fiber bodywork, the 2026 M1000RR demands respect. Featuring newly optimized M winglets that now produced even more downforce to keep that front wheel glued to the tarmac during aggressive exit. The heart of this beast remains the shift-cam Inline-four engine. But for 2026, it has been refined to deliver a staggering 12 horsepower with a red line that screams all the way to 15,100 RPM, ensuring that every twist of the M short drop throttle feels like a launch into another dimension. The design is a masterclass in functional aesthetics, where the iconic M tricolor livery drapes over a chassis that has been lightened and stiffened for surgical precision in every corner. When you climb aboard, the riding position is unapologetically aggressive, tucking you behind the tall windscreen and seating you on an M-branded perch that communicates every nuance of the road directly to your core, making you feel less like a rider and more like a component of the machine itself. Technology is woven into its very DNA, featuring an updated 6.5-inch TFT display with M-specific animations and a comprehensive suite of rider aids including slide control and brake slide assist, which utilize a sophisticated 6-axis sensor box to dance on the edge of physics safely. The riding experience is a sensory overload. The mechanical symphony of the titanium exhaust system barks with a ferocity that echoes through the city streets or the open track, while the M brakes provide a level of deceleration that feels like throwing out an anchor. Whether you are slicing through the apex of a technical circuit or dominating the highway, the 2026 BMW M1000RR offers a level of poise and feedback that is simply unmatched in the leader bike category, proving that BMW hasn't just built a bike, they've engineered a legend. Every gear shift is seamless thanks to the Shift Assistant Pro, and the DDC electronic suspension reacts in milliseconds to ensure the tires maintain an unbreakable bond with the ground, providing the confidence to push harder than ever before. It is a machine that requires your full attention and rewards it with a soul-stirring performance that leaves your heart racing long after the engine has cooled down. This is the pinnacle of the RR legacy, a carbon-clad monster that defines what it means to be the king of the superbike world, pushing the boundaries of what is possible on two wheels and setting a new gold standard for performance, luxury, and pure, unbridled speed. As you transition from the straights to the bends, the lightweight carbon wheels reduce unsprung mass, allowing the bike to flick between transitions with the grace of a predator. The ergonomics have been further honed to ensure that even at extreme lean angles, the rider remains locked in, feeling the mechanical grip through the CNC machined rear-assets and the tactile feedback of the handlebars. This is a machine built without compromise, where every bolt, every carbon fiber weave, and every software line has been optimized for the singular goal of victory. It challenges you to be better, to lean further, and to brake later, all while providing the most advanced safety net in the industry. To own an M1000RR is to own a piece of racing history, a street-legal homologation special that brings world-to-speak technology to your garage. The sheer presence of this bike, with its exposed carbon and aggressive stance, makes it the undeniable center of attention wherever it goes, embodying the EM philosophy of power and prestige.